Hello all, today I am going to explain about Orange Smart. We will use this Orange Smart for restaurant billing. I am double clicking on Orange Smart. When I double click this, it will ask this option. I am using a trial version, so I am getting this option. Where means if it is licensed version, we can skip this respective pop-up. What I am doing, I am just clicking on continue. When I click on continue, it will ask username and password. Username will be admin admin and password will be 1234. ADMIN password 1234. You can give in small letters also, no problem. Once you enter username and password, click on login. And this is the interface of the software. Here there are different modules like file, configure, accounts, inventory, database, purchase, sales, stock, HR, CRM and reports. I don't want to explain all these modules. It will get confused, so what I will do, I will just explain which and all there in favorites, which it will use for daily basis. Here there is an option called three dots. When you click on a three dots, here it will show in favorites, it will show touch pos sales, sales ledger, and day reports and reports, and the next will be items, and next will be kitchen order. These details and I will display in favorites. I will let you know first, means I will tell you first what is the difference between touch pos and sales. Touch pos in the sense, this is for touch screen. If you want any touch interface, means yes, means this screen will help you to do billing, to raise kot, to raise kot copy, to transfer the tables, to select the stewards, to update the modifiers. You can use this interface for the touch pos. For example, if you want to use in normal pc or laptops, means there is one more interface which it will be sales. When you click on the sales, the interface will be like this. By using the keyboard, you can do the billing. Here also the same functionality will be happen. You can means you can generate the kot, you can generate the kot copy, and as well as if you want to transfer, yes, you can transfer the respective table, and tables will get display. If you want to give any discounts, yes, it can be happen. And if you want to give any modifiers or steward names, yes, it will display all those details. Now what I am doing, I am just clicking on exit. And here first we will see how to enter a item. Menu items, here there is an option called items. By clicking on items, one more pop-up will get open. By using these items, we will update the menu item. Here there is an option called new. You can click on new. When you click on new, one more pop-up will appear. Here you can enter a product name. For example, what I am doing, I am just entering the product name. I have entered water off liter. And print name you can skip. Print name will be alias name. And if you want to give any item code, irrespective of, you can give any item code. For example, 1 2 3 4 5, like that you can give item name, no problem. What I am going to do, here I am giving the item name called 250. And next will be group. Here you can enter a group. The respective item belongs to which group, you can update here. How to create group, in the sense, here there is option called pencil button. When you click on a pencil button, here it will, there is option called add. When you click on add, it will allow you to enter a group name. The group name you can enter like a Chinese main course, desserts, biryanis, and any Chinese items. Or else, for example, rolls, rotis, like that you can enter a number of groups. You can just click on add, you can enter a group name. And group category, automatically it will get display. No need to select any group category. You can click on exit, means I am clicking on exit. I don't want to enter any new group. Here means I am going to select in dessert, for example. And here there is an option called departments. Departments in the sense, for example, the respective item belongs to which department. For example, if it is kitchen department, or for example any other beverages counter, for example if it is any other lassi counter, like that you can create a n number of departments. This one also same thing. You can click on a pencil button, you can enter a number of departments. And here units, here in units you can update as a liters, or else you can update as a numbers, like that you can update as a plate wise, like that you can update. And next will be tax master. Here you can by clicking on drop down, all the taxes will get display. You can update whether it is exempted or whether it is 5% tax or any different tax. Here you can update by clicking on pencil button. You can update a number of taxes. Again, same functionality, you can click on add and you can update a tax. And in Orient Smart, there is a two type of structures. One is multiple tax structure and one is single tax structure. In configuration, if you update only one tax structure, automatically it will take 5% for all the products. If you in configuration, if you update in configuration, if you update multiple tax means at the time of at the time of product entry, it will display the different taxes. You can update like this. And after the tax master, next will be the prices. Here I have updated it two different prices. What is the use of two different prices means, in some restaurants, if they want to update for AC different price, non AC different price, ground floor different price, first floor different price, means you can update those different types of prices here. Here I'm just updating base price as 10 rupees. And for online price, consider for example AC price will be means 15 rupees. I'm just doing like that. Means once I update this, I can click on save. Before click on save, I want to explain one more thing. For example, if the item code is not entered, or else if it is empty, means when you click on save, automatically code will get generated. If you want to enter item code manually, yes, you can enter manually, or else once you click on save, automatically item code will get generated. I have saved this. The changes has been saved. Click on OK. If you want to search for the item, means you can enter the item name here and you can click on show, or else when you click on show, all the items will get display. If you want to edit the item, means you can select the respective item. On top there is an option called edit. You can click on edit. One more screen will get open. Here you can update the different prices. Or else, for example, if you want to change the item code, yes, you can change the item code. If you want to update the department, means you can update the department. Once you update all those details, you can click on a save. And means now what I'm doing, I'm just clicking on exit. Next will be, I will show you where you need to update the rate slab. When I click on the configuration, here there is option called restaurant halls. You can click on a restaurant halls. Here you can click on hall name. For example, if it is dining, takeaway, delivery, room service, dining 2, or else for example AC, non AC, first floor, ground floor, like that you can update. And here is a rate slab. Here you can update whether it is rate slab 1, rate slab 2, rate slab 3. And for your and what I'm doing here, I'm just refreshing this. Here when I click on new, online price is there. This one it will consider as a 2. That price you can update here. Okay, when you select the respective product at the time of billing, automatically for this dining 2, the price lab 2 will get automatically, it will get pick. And here if you want to update the printer name, yes, you can update the printer name. And if you want to generate, I wanted 2 copies for respective hall, means yes, you can update a KOT copies here, or else you can skip. And next, click on configuration. Here there is option called restaurant tables. By clicking the restaurant tables, one more pop-up will get open. Here you can enter a number of tables, table 1 2 3 4, like that you can enter. And here there is a option called halls. The respective tables belongs to which halls, for those details you can update here. Once you click on update, you can click on save, or else if you don't want to update anything, you can just click on cancel. And there is option called delete. If means if you want, you can delete. To delete the table, admin will be having only the option, but user will be not having the option like delete. And next will be steward. If you want to enter the steward name, again click on configure, and here there is option called steward. You can click on steward, you can enter steward name and as well as the password. Here I have entered steward 12345 and password is 1234. I'm clicking on exit. Next I'm going to explain billing. Here you can click on three dots. I'm explaining about touch pause. Sales will be later. First let me explain about touch pause. When I click on touch pause, this is a touch pause interface, and I am selecting halls. In halls I am selecting tables. For example, I will select table number 1, and here what I will do, next will be the groups. I can click on groups and I can select items. If I want to select items in other group, again you can click on a group, and here you can update which item customer has been ordered. And for example, if you want to change the quantity, yes, you can change the quantity. And if you want to enter modifier in the sense, for example, less spicy, less salt, less oil, those details and all you can update here. For example, I'm just updating like less oil. What and all means what and all modifier you have updated for the respective item in KOT, those modifiers will get displayed. And once I update this modifier, here there is option called steward. When you click on steward, here you can select the steward list will get displayed. You can select the respective steward. Once you select the steward, what you can do, you can click on a KOT. When you click on KOT will get generate. Here I have updated two copies for KOT, so it will two times print will get display. And you can observe earlier the respective item has been black, now the respective item has been turned into red. For example, if you want to add some more item for the same table, means was what you can do, again you can select group and you can select the item. And now for example, when you click on KOT, the item means KOT will get generated for only these three new items. It won't get generated for all the items. For example, if you want to generate a KOT copy for the steward, means yes, here there is an option called KOT copy. When you click on KOT copy, steward also will get one copy. And means again what I'm doing, I'm just clicking on table, and you can observe table number 1 has been occupied, and it has means and it is showing in red color. And for example, if I want to take a order for table number 12, yes, you can click on table number 12, and again you can select what respective item has been ordered, and next select the steward, and again KOT. The KOT print will get appear. And this is a way how you can do means how you can raise a KOT, and how you can raise a KOT printer. And for example, if you want to enter two or three items for running table, means you can click on a table, and again you can choose the table to which table you want to generate a means to which table you want to add item. You can double click the respective product, means you can sorry, you can double click the respective table, and again you can go to groups. And I'm just going and I'm adding one more two menu items, and again I will click on KOT. The KOT will get generated. Next I am going to explain about table transfer. On top there is an option called transfer. You can click on a transfer. When you click on a transfer, here one more pop-up will get open. You can click on new. You can select the table, from which table to which table. Here I am selecting table number 10, and I am selecting which KOT to be transferred. When I click on 7, although items which all the items will display which and all there in the respective KOT. I am selecting the checkbox, and next to which table, and I'm choosing the table number 1. And here there is an option called transfer. I can click on the transfer. On top there is an option called save. I can click on save, and S. And if you want to take a print, means yes, you can click on a print. These all details will get print. In that print it will display what is the KOT, what is the KOT number, and as well as what and all items are there in respective KOT, and which time it has been transferred. Those details will get display. I'm clicking on exit. We have transferred from table number 10 to 1. I'm just going to tables. See, now table number 10 has become green and table number 1 has been occupied. Like that you can do a table transfer. For example, if I want to generate a bill for this table number 1, I can click on table number 1. On top there is an option called settle. When you click on settle, it will ask how you are going to settle. What I'm just doing, I'm just entering cash as 2000. When I click on enter, it will show what could be the balance. Rest amount I am updating by phone pay. and now there is no balance. When you click on save, it won't get print, it will get save. When you click on print, the bill will get generate, as well as all the details will get saved. Yes, now the bill will get print. For bill means for bill also I have given a two copies, so two times it will get print. And now when I select the tables, you can see the table number 1 has been turned to green, means now there is no occupation. What occupation for table number 1? This is a way how you can generate KOT, how you can update modifier, how you can update steward, and how you can transfer the respective table. All the things you can do it, and how to generate bill as well. Now I will show how to do same thing through keyboard. Again, you can click on a three dots, and here next will be sales. By using keyboard, you can generate KOT, bills, steward copy, select steward, add modifier. All the details can be done by using this sales. Here, for example, I am selecting table number 2. You can enter table number 2, click on enter. It will ask steward. You can select the steward, and if you want to update packs, you can update. KOT number not required, automatically KOT number will get generated. And next, click on enter. When you click on enter, it will come to item code. If you know item code, what you can do, you can just type item code and click on enter. And if you want to change the quantity, you can change the quantity, else you can keep it 1 and enter. For example, if you don't know item code means, you can click on a space. When you click on space, all items will get display. For example, if you enter BI means biryani rice has come, you can select, click on enter, and you can select the modifier if you want, or else what you can do, you can enter like this and click on enter. And for example, if there is no item code, means it will pop up like this. If there is any item code, automatically it will pick up the respective item code like that. You can once you enter all the items, what you can do, there is an option called minus. When you click on minus, or on top there is an option called KOT. When you click on KOT, automatically it will means KOT will get generate. And item color, now it is showing in black, it will generate to red once the KOT get print. Here, as I told earlier, I have configured KOT printers too. So it is asking two times KOT, means it is printing two times KOT. Now it has been turned into red. If you want to means if you want to punch the order for other table, you can click on space from your keyboard, or else you can click here. For example, enter table number 8, click on enter. And if you want to change the steward, yes, you can change the steward. Enter, and again. See how fast I am entering. And you can click on minus. When you click on minus from your keyboard, automatically KOT will get generated, or else on top there is an option called KOT. If you click on KOT, the KOT means KOT will get generated. And next, for example, if you want to enter some more items in table number 4, what you can do, you can just click on escape. When you click on escape, cursor will go to tables. Like that, you can select, and KOT will get generate only for new items. For old items, KOT will not get generate. And again, you can click on KOT. Yes, the KOT will get generated. And here, if you want to transfer tables means, on top there is an option called transfer. When you click on transfer, automatically one more pop-up will open. Here you can click on new, and from which table to which table. When you click on save, the details would get saved. Now you can check table number 9. Click on table number 9 and click on enter. When you click on enter, which and all there in table number 2 has been transferred to table number 9. And if you want to check table number 2, you can just click on escape. The cursor will go to table, select table number 2 and click on enter. See, the table number 2 is empty. This is how you can transfer the table from one table to another table. And what I am doing, again I am clicking on escape. When I click on escape, the cursor will come to table number, and here what I am doing, I'm just entering table number 9 and I will click on enter. And here, for example, if I want to give any discount, what you can do here, you can select the discount, and 10% discount, 5% discount, this predefined discount you can update in a masters, in discount master, in configuration, in configuration here you can update. When you update in configuration, those details will come in this discount. And here when I select 5%, automatically the discount has been appeared, you can observe now. And for example, if there is any parcel charger, here you can enter a parcel charges, for example 15 rupees or 20 rupees, like that you can enter a parcel charges. Or else you can create a item called parcel charges, and you can select the item along with the bill. Automatically the parcel charges also will come. And next, what I am going to do here, there is option called bill. When you click on bill, the bill will get generated. And since I don't have a printer, I have redirected to a PDF. It will print in a PDF. If there is a printer means it will print. You can click on bill, or else through keyboard you can click on plus. When you click on plus, automatically bill will get generated. When you click on minus, KOT will get generated. And now I will show you the bill. If you want to see the bill, what you can do here, there is option called three dots. You can click on three dots. Here there is option called sales ledger, and here when you click on show, all the bills will display what and all entered today. And here you have an option. Here what you can do, you can, if you want to change means date means, yes, you can change from 1 2 dates also you can change. Bill will display as per shift wise also it will display, and bill will display as per customer wise also it will display. And if you want hall wise means, yes, it will display. If you want to see the bill, you can click on the bill. On top there is option called view. When you click on view, the bill will get open. Like this it will display. And next, for example, through here also you can do the payment in the sense whether the customer is paid by cash, card, how exactly he is paying. In bill also there is option. In sales also there is a option. In top you can click on a settle. When you click on a settle, means when you click on a settle, one more pop-up will come. There you can enter all the details and you can click on a print. For example, if you forgot to do settlement for the respective bill, what you can do, you can click on a three dots and you can go to sales ledger. When you select the sales ledger, here all the display, all the bills will get display when you click on show. And here you can see the balance amount, which and all has the balance amount. What you can do, you can click on the respective bill. You can click on the respective bills. On top there is an option called payments. You can click on a payments. When you click on payments, here you can enter, for example 500 I am entering by cash, and if it is there any Google Pay or Phone Pay means rest amount, you can update rest amount through Google Pay. And here you can save, or else once again if you want a print means, you can click on print, or else you can click on save. Yes, this is the way how you have to do settlement. And here you can observe the bill balance will be, bill balance amount has showing as a 0. Next I will show you how to delete KOT, or how to delete KOT items as well. Here there is a three dots. You can click on a three dots, and here you can select a sales, and same functionality you can do in touchpass also. And for example, means I am selecting table number 8 and I am clicking on enter. And here there are 1 2 3 4 5 menu items. For example, if I want to delete Arabian coal means, you can click on Arabian coal, and through keyboard you can do you can plus delete option. When you click on delete option, here it will come, you can update a remarks. For example, late, or else too much sweet, or else too much cold, like that you can update. Late, are those details and all you can update here. Once you update here, there is on top there is a option called cancel item. When you click on cancel item, means cancelled item KOT will get generate, and the respective item will get cancelled. This is a way how you can cancel the KOT. For example, same process, what you can do, you can cancel all items means you can cancel all items, and you can cancel particular item. All the details you can do by clicking on delete. Here there is an option called save changes. You can click on save changes, or else automatically it will update. And here I have explained you how to do KOT, how to do billing, and how to delete the KOT as well. And now means I am taking you to reports. If you want to generate a reports, means here there is an option called three dots. You can click on a three dots. Earlier, as I shown you, sales ledger. In sales ledger also, you can select from and to date. If you want to check 1 month, or if you want to check 15 days one, what you can do, you can select the respective date, and here there is option called show. You can click on show, all the bills will get displayed. And these bills also you can export to Excel. If when you click on a report, it will convert into PDF. And for example, if you want to take day wise report, means here you can click on three dots. Here there is an option called day reports. When you click on day reports, here it will show what is the sales summary today, total sales summary, and what is the today sales bills, how many bills has been generated. Those details also will display. See here, today how many bills has been generated, and what is the CGST, GST, what is the net amount, and what is the total amount, what is the round of charges. All the details will get displayed. This one you can take into print. And bill wise sales, means how many bills has been generated. Item wise sales, how many items has been sold today. Those details will get displayed. For example, if you want to see cash card, those details also will get displayed. No problem. Here there is option called cancelled KOT. Means how many KOTs has been cancelled today, and how many items has been cancelled. Those details also it will display. This is very useful for the management, means for higher authorities. And here there is option called group by sales, and cancelled, and there will be cancelled bill. For example, if I cancel any bill, those details also will get display. And user wise sales, in the sense, for example, it is steward wise also it will get display. These and all can be export to Excel, or else these and all can be print. Here next I am going to explain about reports. In the sense, you can, by using these reports, what you can do, you can take all sales bills, or else sales by day, sales by week, sales by month, 15 days wise, and quarter wise, and 6 months wise, year wise, like that you can take. And here there is a sales by steward, sales by table, sales by discount type, and output tax report. Those details also will get displayed. And here when you select a respective report, here there is option from and to. You can filter from and to, and once you filter the from and to, you can click on view. When you click on view, the report will generate like this. If you want to export to Excel, means you can export to Excel. And for example, if you want to see a 1 month sales by item, means yes, you can segregate, means you can select from and to, and select the respective report, and click on view. Once you click on view, automatically it will get display. For example, if you want to check sales by top 10 items, means yes, you can click on top 10 items, and you can click on view, it will get display. And here one more two important reports, which it is KOT cancelled and bill cancelled. For example, if you want to see KOT cancel, month how many KOTs has been cancelled, or else how many items has been cancelled. In 15 days, how many items has been cancelled. If you want to see those details, yes, you can select the KOT cancelled, and you can click on view. When you click on view, it will display what is the KOT number, and what is the name, and how many quantity, and here it will show all the remarks, and what is the amount. Those details will come. And if you want, we can display here who has been cancelled, the steward name, or else username also it will get displayed. And this is the uses of Orient Smart Software. And thank you for watching. Have a good day.